Mmm. Is that good, Sissy? Mmm. Oh, that was a good one.
She's trying to get. Good job.
More? Colby. Oh.
Oh.
Can you put it in her mouth, Quince? In her mouth, not in her eye.
Oh.
In her mouth. There you go.
Oh, yummy.
Are you going to have a bite, Quincy?
Oh, good job. Oh, it's okay.
We can wipe it up afterwards, sweetie. Colby, your Sissy's doing such a good job feeding you. And Quincy, you're such a good big sister. Yummy.
Oh, she's going fast. Yeah, I can't keep up.
Great job, Quince.